Hello everyone. So I need to start, yes? Is it me?
Hello.
Hello. Hi.
Hey, how are you, Otto?
I'm normal, thank you. Now it's almost nighttime in Moscow. Yes, nighttime in Moscow.
Okay. It totally seems like, and you're all set for the interview. That's great. That's totally great. So yeah, thank you so much, Otto, for your availability. So let me introduce myself. Before that, I would just like to let you know that this meeting is going to be
Recording in
recorded.
progress.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Thank you so much. So, my name is Shiraz and I'm a recruiter at a global software staffing company, Pursue Advanced Tech, and this company is US based. Right now, we are expanding our business through the US job market. Now, would you like to introduce me yourself?
Yeah, sure. My name is Artur. My surname is Hananov. Actually, I'm currently 37 years old. I got two master's degrees in Moscow, finished Moscow State Technical University named after Bauman, and it's the best technical university in Russia. And also get master degree in economics, management, and public administration. If we talking precisely about specialization. I start working in web during my student time. I developed some features, some products for Ministry of Russian
Recording stopped.
Economic Development. Are you hear me? I heard that you stop recording. Is it okay?
Recording in progress.
Okay.
Actually, it was a technical glitch. You can continue.
All right. Yes. I'm come back to the web development in 2019. I start work as React developer for mostly for banking companies. It's start develop React application for bank companies. I have pretty wide observer through the technologies, and actually I even have experience working also international on some US company that was in 2022. I also work in international environment. QA specialist, for example, were from India. Russian specialists mostly work with code, and management was from United States. Vice president and president of company finished Harvard. So that was a pretty good experience. I'm interested in some in actions like that.
Absolutely. That's great, and thank you so much, Arthur, for introducing in briefly about yourself. And apart from that, just a quick question: do you have any recent experience in artificial intelligence or machine learning?
Yes, I have small experience in development in study neural models, models of neural networks. That was in 2018. I have small experience. I was working on factory in department of robotics. We study neural network to recognize bad plans, to divide good plants and bad plants. Plants, I mean vegetables, etc., 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 etc. Concerning current period, I active user of Chat GPT and use it tool for develop web applications. Actually, but if we talking deeply about, for example, working with Python, generative AI stuff like that, it's not currently my specialty, but I know it's future, and I want to be in market and also want to work with that technologies personally.
That seems really interesting, and so I just wanted to give you a heads up about the position which we have. So we will set up your professional LinkedIn or Indeed account for you. In this role, you will conduct interviews with personal information of our US sales representative to win the jobs for them.
Mm-hmm.
We'll set up your LinkedIn or Indeed account for you as per the necessity. We'll apply for the jobs on LinkedIn and Indeed and contact with recruiters to schedule interviews. You just need to take audio or a video interviews, including introductory, technical, and cultural interviews with the interviewers. You'll be able to manage and support processes which are needed to start and maintain the job successfully. And after winning the jobs, our team will handle the projects 100% from start to finish. Are you okay with that?
Yes, I'm okay.
Great. So it's a remote position and a part-time role for 20 to 30 hours per week. Are you fine with that?
Oh, I'm fine.
Absolutely, that sounds really great. So we have few questions before moving forward. So would you like to let us know what is overfitting and how do you prevent it?
Overfitting.
I'm dropping the same question. Yeah, I'm dropping the same question in the chat box as well, so that if you are not able to understand, like what exactly I'm asking, so you can read it from there and answer.
What is overfitting and how to prevent it? Actually, Shiraz, maybe in Russian I know that the meaning of that technical feature, but in English I faced it with first time. Can I Google maybe for translate it into Russian? Can I Google it to translate it? Just for understanding what is overfitting in Russian language.
So I can translate it on your behalf. So let me do that for you.
Mm-hmm. Перегрузка. I suppose it sounds in Russian перегрузка.
Would you like to answer?
No. I translate overfitting into Russian. Let me give me a second. Okay, I got you. I got what it means. For example, we have the base of elements on which neural network is learning and study. Overfitting means that if we add some other detail which not across details what we study our network, overfitting not recognize the other that separate aspect not recognized, and that's why it is mathematics. It's algorithm in English. currently I need to catch up words to understand is, and I told you and I just told you I'm not so professional in generative AI and deep learning. Artificial intelligence is not my profession, Shiraz. Maybe you ask me about some React features, cause I suppose you read my curriculum vitae and saw that I'm a React.js developer actually, and not a data scientist.
Absolutely getting your point. It's just that I'll be, sharing you few questions. If you want to answer, you can answer it. Or if you want to pass, we'll share you the next question. Okay?
Okay.
So we have a list of question with me. So I'm just sharing with you the second question. If you want to answer it, it's totally fine. And if you want to give it a try, if you would like to, listen to your answer as well. So I'm just dropping you the second question. And if you want to pass, you can let me know. I'll drop you the second question.
All right. Explain different types of machine learning: supervised and reinforcement.
Supervised, unsupervised, and
Reinforcement.
reinforcement learning. So these are the kind of machine learning.
Sure, yes, no, but it's not my professional. I of course I can study, but need take a time to understand the differences between all that definitions. It new information for me. I not currently work with it. Actually, I'm React developer.
I'm absolutely getting your point. That's not an issue. If you want to answer it, it's fine. If you want to pass the question,
Let
that is also absolutely fine.
let
It's just that we would like to just, see that like what answers you have and what you don't have. So as per that, we will decide like in which direction your profile should move. Okay.
okay.
So would you like to give this question a try, or shall we move forward with the next question?
Of course, I can briefly Google it and give you an answer. Uh,
Uh,
but I suppose you should prepare topic before our meeting. What I should to study before, because that question are new for me. I'm not work with it. It's not my cache memory. What you asking, Sharaz?
Absolutely, absolutely. So just give me, let me check. Like I'm sharing you the list of questions. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
if you want to answer any of them.
Mm-hmm. I have brilliant, one of the best Russian fundamental education. Russian fundamental education concerning mathematics, stuff like that. I very good educated person. So I need to write these topics for me just for preparing, right? Or you need me to answer. You want me to answer on all these questions?
I just want that if you know anything regarding activation function in neural network, or what are attention mechanism and why are they useful in NLP, what steps do you take for data pre-processing before training an ML model? How do you handle missing data? When would you use k-means versus DB scan for clustering? How does transformer architecture work? How do you handle out of vocabulary words in NLP? What is A/B testing and how it is applied in machine learning? Tell
Mm.
me about machine learning project you worked on. What challenges do you faced? How do you handle ethical concerns in AI development? If you
Shiraz,
want to answer
Shiraz.
any of the questions, yeah, getting your
Uh,
point, getting your point that
yes,
this is
yes.
your this is not your core.
It not my yes. It not my specialty. I suppose.
Yeah,
I guess you if possible said in English, you call to another address. You call to not specialist what you looking for. It not my specialty. It not my profession now.
okay, okay, it's totally fine. Actually, it's just that currently the position for which we are hiring is specifically looking for someone who has a core experience in AI and machine learning. But apart from that, we do have your profile now, and we know that what kind of experience you're holding. So as per that, we will reach you for some better profile and a suitable profile in future. So is that fine?
Yeah, sure, sure. Call me anytime, write me anytime. I'm very welcome to any suggestions or interaction with the US company and working in international atmosphere. I really like it.
Okay, our team will be in contact with you and will update you things on email. And you do have connect. You are already connected with our team on LinkedIn, so probably we'll be in touch. And in future, we'll surely get back to you with something suitable and better roles. Okay.
Perfect.
Thank you so much, Arta. And if you want to give this interview a try, and if you want to, like, you have a list of questions, and if you want to, copy those questions and keep it with you, and prepare for a week for those specific questions, probably we can, schedule this interview when you will be prepared. We can do that as well. Okay.
Okay, I save that questions and let you know when I will would be when I ready is simply talking. I let you when I will ready.
Sure. Sure. Absolutely fine. Absolutely great. Okay.
Okay, okay.
Uh, Thank you so much. Have a good day, and we'll surely get connected very soon in the future.
Thank you, Shiraz. Also, bye bye.
Bye. Bye.
Что ты как тут плохо ты не поняла? Что это за хуйня такая тут?
Ну,
Как ты трех определяешь, я не понимаю? Что ты не понимаешь, что есть четверть, половинка? Ты вот что сожрал? Все, вот этот маленький кусочек твой больше не трогай. Вы еще вечно накормите. Поищи что-то другое. Молока себе налей. Молока налей, пусть ценнее будет. Опять будешь как что-то поесть. Ищи что-то параллельное, приспосабливайся. Видишь, ситуация на рынке меняется? Не хочешь, не можешь, не тянешь, значит, ищи что-то в этой струе где-то, ну, на чем можешь деньги зарабатывать, может, и полегче, может, деньги поменьше, но зато работа полегче. Я говорю, посмотри ресурс курсор, Артур. Хотя бы смотрю, ну что это такое? Очень облегчает жизнь для программиста.